The Lamborghini Huracán Evo Spyder is pure Manic fun. Now, the open-top Huracán is loud and exciting, drawing a crowd everywhere you go. You get so much attention, girls kissing you or wanting to blow kisses at you. This is just straight out amazing. Now, fireworks, silly missile, hilarious, confident, obnoxious, agile, explosive, dialed in. These are the words all come to mind after stepping out of the rear-wheel drive Lamborghini Huracán Evo Spyder. Notice, stealth isn't one of those. There's no hiding behind the wheel of a Mehit Blue Lamborghini. That's especially the case while rolling between New York City traffic lights. In sport mode, engage. The exhaust opens up, crackle ensues, manic laughter from the driver's seat follows. Oh my God. The Huracán is a theater. It has presence, even without the 610 horsepower V10 thundering, popping off throttle, resonating off city buildings. Car alarms going off as it goes on its way. It becomes a rolling tourist attraction. Onlookers can't get enough. Park it, and children, their parents all want to know about it. No matter where you are, no matter what time of day it is, it brings out its own form of automotive excitement from all aspects of life. Its sharp angle design is a siren call for attention. Hey, look, it's me, doggone it. Behind the wheel of the Huracán, you become part of everyone else's day. It's impossible not to attract attention. Even in New York City, where seeing exotic cars rush down the avenue is a relatively common occurrence, the Huracán still manages to gather long looks, start conversation, and inspire a little automotive passion. Now, associate editor with Road and Track, Mac Hogan, was even approached for some sort of TikTok vlog while sitting in a car. People simply want to be near this thing. You can't blame them. It's exciting. Awesome, folks. This is just a straight up awesome machine. You have to exit the city to truly grasp the Huracán Evo performance. Capabilities. To get to know the Spyder better, set off with some friends. Put the $295,000 open roof supercar to the test. Slicing through Hudson Valley back roads, cruising through views, just hitting it. Boy, man, just having a blast of your life. One presented with a clear set of twisties. Dialed in your focus. The Huracán had no issues. It will take on the road as quick as shifting 7-speed dual clutch gearbox kept between second and fourth gear. The only problem is a naturally aspirated, awesome 600 horsepower car. Constantly finding yourself in danger of potential incarceration. Man, where's the police? Dude, you better have that Wazi app ready. Bouncing off the borders between right and wrong in the world of public driving, the Lamborghini, of course, it doesn't care. Now, to make things even worse, the V10 eruption, the sound, even more addicting when resonating off the forest along the road. Oh my God, the temptation for speed is so strong, just borderline, overpowering. Wow, just straight up amazing. Wow. The Huracán carried itself with speed, grace, confidence in every corner. The respect, the awareness, the high-speed power, the rear-wheel drive, mid-engine car can bite carelessly, thrash you left and right, especially on cold autumn pavement, with just your mind just be expanding. This is just an awesome, awesome experience. I just want to bring this experience to the reader. I want to bring it to the experience to you, from AO Automotive Reviews. This is the experience of driving the awesome Lamborghini Huracán Evo Spyder. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.